model, 2011 Nissan Navara Acenta 2.5 DCI 188 starts runs flywheel clutch noisy No Vat. Body, white 4x4. Mileage, 186,844. Engine, 2488 cc YD25 KAI3 E4. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights in the dash, just the dual mass flywheel is vibrating and making a noise. Straightforward clutch replacement job, then you'll have a fantastic pickup, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest pickup, which has been well looked after. Features, part service history, cruise control, air con, electric windows, parking